Welcome back. It's art time class. Today we're going to be using stamps to make art. Let's get started. To begin, at your area, everyone will have one big sheet of paper. You're going to notice a container of different stamps. There's small, medium, large, all size stamps in this container. You'll notice one ink sponge and a container of markers. That's a lot to share. So with the stamps, you can do one of two things. You can use the markers to color and then stamp, or you can use the ink pad to just do the black outline and stamp. So for this one, I'll do press down on the black ink. You can see there's black on it now, and I'll press down. And now I see I have the black outline. I can go in with a marker and color if I want. It's up to the artist. I can layer down the stamps to create a shape, or I can use the stamps shape itself. There's lots of different ways to do that. You can also take a marker and a stamp and you can color. When you're coloring, you want to make sure that your marker is kind of leaning or laying on the side when you're coloring. If you color straight down, it takes a little longer. And when you color on the side, it's a little faster. So you color on the stamp, and then you can stamp that down, and it's the color of the marker instead. So it's up to you if you want to do the black ink for the outline and then color it in with markers, or if you want to color the stamp with the markers and do the color. Up to you. I can't wait to see what you guys are going to make. Till next time, keep being creative.